Biscotti originated in the Tuscan city of Prato, Italy, during the 18th century. There are so many variations of biscotti, such as hazelnut biscotti, double chocolate biscotti, lemon biscotti, coconut biscotti, and more. As these biscuits contain olive oil instead of butter, they have less fat than other biscuits. This is the best biscotti. The ingredients you'll need are 150 grams of whole almonds, 313 grams of all-purpose flour, 155 grams of soft brown sugar, 125 grams of demerara sugar, 3 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and 65 grams of olive oil. Line an oven dish with baking paper and preheat your oven to gas mark 3. Spread out the almonds onto the baking paper and place them in the oven for 12 minutes. Whilst the almonds are toasting, mix together all of your dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, add the eggs, almond extract, vanilla extract, lemon zest and olive oil, then lightly mix, but don't overmix it. Combine the dry and wet ingredients. Remove the toasted almonds from the oven, allow them to cool and chop them up and add them to the batter. Pour the batter onto the lined baking tray and bake on gas mark 4 for 30 minutes. It will look like a rectangular cake. Allow it to cool and cut it into your preferred shape. Allow them to cool on a wire rack and then place them back onto the oven tray for a further 15 minutes until brown and crisp. Finally, enjoy with a coffee or wine.